Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. We don't have a sponsor. However, I want to tell you about something that's on our special page. And you may go, what is that? This is a silencer. This is an intake silencer for a 5 horsepower compressor. We have these on special for $105.99. Check out the Compressor Guru. That's $105.99 plus shipping plus tax if you're a PA resident. I can ship anywhere in the continental 48 or the contiguous 48. And what it does is you generally mount them upright. So you would put a elbow in your compressor and screw this into the elbow and screw your air filter into here, and it will significantly cut down the noise your compressor makes. Most of the noise that the compressor makes comes from the intake of the compressor. This is going to the customer that has the 242, and you won't see it installed. And I did want to mention it because it's in his work base. The compressor is in his 3-bay garage, and he doesn't like it running, A, because it had a giant clunk in it, but he doesn't like the noise. So he sprung for the intake silencer, and it's a 1-inch male pipe thread on the one end, and on the other end it's a 1-inch female pipe thread. So if you don't like how much noise your compressor makes and you have 1-inch or smaller, this is a wonderful choice to cut down some decibels in your shop. $105.99. Go to the Compressor Guru to check it out on our special page, and I thank you.
How long is that price good?
That price is good until the end of 2021. I just got my pricing for 2021, and that price is good till the end of 2021.
The whole way to the end of 2021.
When the pricing changes, it'll come off the special page or I'll change the number. And this is December 26, 2020. Yes, I have my camera wife working Saturday evening because this compressor we're rebuilding is promised out for Monday.
Don't worry, folks. He's going to take care of me.
Oh, I'll take care of her. Okay, who are you?
My name is Brad DeWitt. I'm the owner and operator of B&D Auto Repair.
Where are you?
Osceola Mills, Pennsylvania.
Okay, I checked you out on Google. You've got tons of 5-star reviews. You must be keeping your customers pretty happy. Is it because of your excellent work and your good staff?
Yes.
Say hello, good staff.
Hello.
Who are you?
George Gill.
Hey, George Gill. I've known George for about a year. He humps right along right here with everybody else. So I appreciate the work. You know, if there's any troubles, you call me. Absolutely. And we'll take care of you. And thank you. And